Another day, another story. What's up, fact fiends? This is Europa Facts bringing you 5 insane facts about what would happen if our sun suddenly just disappeared for an entire year. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, we warmly welcome to our new coming subscribers. We show 2 new subscribers in every new video. You can be the next one by subscribing and commenting on our video. Smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our exclusive, fact-filled videos. Now let's get into these mind-blowing facts. Fact number 1: the Earth would freeze over if our sun were to vanish. The first and most obvious effect would be a dramatic drop in temperatures. The sun provides the Earth with light and heat that is essential for life as we know it. Without the warming rays of the sun, surface temperatures would plummet well below freezing all over the planet. The average temperature worldwide would quickly drop to around 20 degrees Fahrenheit, 29 degrees Celsius. This extreme cold would make many regions completely uninhabitable and threaten most life on Earth. The poles would become even colder, potentially reaching temperatures of 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 73 degrees Celsius or lower. Birds would fall from the sky, rivers and lakes would freeze over, and plants would wither and die from the relentless cold. Fact number 2: photosynthesis would cease. One of the most devastating effects of losing the sun would be the halt of all photosynthesis on Earth. Photosynthesis is the process green plants and other organisms use to convert sunlight into chemical energy and sustain themselves. With the sun gone, plants would no longer be able to undergo photosynthesis. This would essentially starve all land-based ecosystems that rely on plants for food and oxygen. The foundations of almost all food chains would be destroyed, threatening extinction for the majority of life on land. In the oceans, phytoplankton and algae would also perish without the sun, devastating marine ecosystems as well. The loss of these tiny photosynthetic organisms would disrupt the entire ocean food web. Fact number 3: the atmosphere would collapse. Believe it or not, the disappearance of the sun would also cause Earth's atmosphere to collapse. The sun's energy ionizes gases in our upper atmosphere, creating layers of ionized particles called the ionosphere and thermosphere. These layers reflect radio waves and allow long-distance communication. Without the sun, the ionosphere and thermosphere would completely deflate. Radio signals and communication satellites would fail, as the atmosphere condenses into the troposphere where we live and breathe. Furthermore, the collapsed atmosphere would be unable to retain heat without the sun's energy input. This would dramatically accelerate the temperature plunge, making Earth unlivable that much faster. Fact number 4: Earth would journey into deep freeze. With the sun gone, all that would remain is the freezing cold of space. Earth would be suddenly hurled into a cosmic deep freeze. To understand just how cold space is, consider that the average temperature is 270 degrees Celsius, 455 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just 3 degrees above absolute zero, the coldest temperature physically possible. Our atmosphere normally protects us from these icy extremes, but without the heating effects of the sun, temperatures on Earth would eventually equalize with the frigidity of space. That 3 degrees above absolute zero may not sound much colder than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but on the absolute temperature scale, it's over 400 degrees colder. The entire planet would become an ultra-frigid, lifeless snowball. We can only imagine what apocalyptic horrors would emerge as humanity battles for survival in a global deep freeze. Fact number 5: the Earth would meander through space. Finally, if the sun were to disappear, the Earth itself would start to wander aimlessly through space with no star to orbit. The planets in our solar system all revolve around the sun due to its immense gravity. Take away the sun, and the other forces acting on Earth would take over. Our planet would likely be pulled towards Jupiter and enter a new orbit around the giant gas planet. However, Jupiter's gravity alone probably wouldn't be enough to keep Earth in its clutch. Earth would be at risk of being ejected from the solar system altogether, and left drifting through the emptiness of space, alone and frozen. Our once lush planet would become a rogue world wandering the void for eternity. That is, until either colliding with another celestial body or getting captured by a different star system. But either way, life on Earth as we know it would be long gone. Well, those are 5 shocking facts about what would happen if the sun just up and vanished on us. Really makes you appreciate the big fiery ball of gas in the sky, doesn't it? Let me know in the comments which fact blew your mind the most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more outrageous science facts. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.